Hey, baby girl. Ay, baby boy yata yan. Shit.
Ito,
Eh,
go up.
Aaron is into femboys.
There's 14 players. Girl, 14 players.
14? Oh, it's a lot of players. Ito, Murder in the Garage 5. Pero I feel like mas maganda pag madami. Kasi I feel like we're gonna suck. Pero kayo. Ay, hindi pala meron para marami. 14
Saan?
players. 14 players. 4 out of 14
Yeah.
players. Ito guys, 4. Ay, hindi, wala na. Ano, where do you guys wanna go? This is a lot. Alcatraz.
Okay. What's Alcatraz? A club song again.
I know! Why the heck is it doing that?
What do you guys wanna play? Meron dito parang horror daw, flashing lights, loud noises. Chernobyl.
Look at the
Yeah.
difficulty on that.
Yeah, it's 3, it's 4 though.
Oh, ate.
Ito, The Morse Curse 3.
Where?
Here. Or ito, Panic Airplane
Ay,
2. Panic in the Airplane.
Panic in the Airplane. Check for Panic in the Airplane.
Ano guys?
Hey. Yo, what's up, Kinwo? What the?
Oh!
Aaron, get in this murder game.
Where are
Aaron,
you?
Aaron, I thought you were here.
Murder in the Garage?
I thought
Yeah.
it was Aaron!
I thought it was Aaron.
Girl, that wasn't me!
Oh my gosh!
I thought it was Aaron, the rat.
Aaron!
Guys,
Let's go back. Wait, sorry,
I have
sorry,
to
rat.
change. Girl, this is not...
I-
The
I
film
love the rat.
is getting people...
I thought it was Aaron!
But like, it looks like you, auntie. I thought, it was you going in. So,
No! That was Aaron!
yeah, that was Aaron.
That was Aaron!
That literally look like me.
Yes.
No! It was you!
Weh!
You.
Ate,
Yeah,
I
you
know
went.
you.
No, live.
Because I was actually like far away.
The murder.
I'm here.
Where's the clubs? Hey. Go. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Oh, we're gonna suck. Oh, I just know. I'm so sorry.
Okay, let's start.
Don't believe that.
Okay, so after arriving to pick up your motorbike, you immediately listen.
Do you have time?
Oh, we're smart. We already know someone was murdered.
We don't have a time now.
Pink, white, pink. Pink, white, pink, white, pink.
Pink, ano type of hair? Pink, white. Okay, W, W.
Hold on, I'm too stupid for this. Okay, we can open boxes. There's nothing on them.
Wait, what was the prompt?
What are our hints?
Okay.
The way.
Hello?
Wait lang, I'm trying to lock in, girl.
Got a key, I got a key.
How? Okay, good, actually. 2,
Wait,
3, 2, 3, 3.
where do we put the key?
May ano dito, GM oh. Hero.
What? Yeah, I can.
Where? 2,
Says key
3,
two.
1, 1. Okay. Um,
Green, purple, red. Anything with green, purple, red.
2, 3, 1.
Okay, you can fix it.
Okay, oh my gosh, this is hard.
Wait,
Requires storage room.
wait, so... mm, I don't know how to put this in. Can you put the key? Yan mo yung pala dito. So, I'm trying it.
Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. Neither is being used.
Mm,
Pink, white, white, pink, white, pink, pink.
what's this called?
Wait, may color coordination dito and then here.
What?
I will just need the numbers. Because we have pink and then the white, we can just guess which one from here.
Wait. I can hit the arrow.
Pink,
Like if you look up, is it the arrow? Or it's not the arrow. Wait.
this is hard.
Have you already stuck?
I don't know if I'm stupid or what.
Wait, what does pink like?
We're stuck on the first row.
Is it a hint?
What does it mean? When you open these, there's nothing inside.
What does pink like?
Wait, maybe the order of the rainbow? So it's red, orange, yellow, green. So 4. 4, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, 6. 4, 6, 1. Father Bludger.
No.
Wait. Wait.
So there's a code for every. So there's a code for this one, and this one, and this one.
Wait, what's this code though? Why is it?
Focus on the pink, white, white,
This is
pink.
pink. Ito pink, this is green. This is the only pink that I can see. Here.
Where's the pink?
Ito, is it broken? We can fix it. This is color pink. I don't know if that makes sense, pero
Maybe that's red.
That's pink.
But there's no purple. I mean, there's no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I can't figure this one out.
22.
Where did you find the key?
Just in the trash can. It says E2. You see it?
Motorcycle parking.
200 yards.
200
We need the
yards.
red. Meron bang red? May ano bang red? Wala.
Try 200 on everything.
Maybe amount of... I don't know. Sige.
What's the tires for?
147 lang yung sa green. I don't get it. Is that like supposed... That's 4? I guess. That's 4 arrows. That's 2
Is it
and 2.
arrows? Why would they give us a key if di naman na
Maybe it's bugged.
How many red? 1, 2.
This is the only
Because
key.
you should have opened this one already. I think it's bugged, is it not?
Pink, white, white, pink, white, pink, pink, pink. What's the name of the game? Do you want me to search it up?
When I opened it, it was bugged. Ate.
Oh my gosh, okay, finally. What happened?
Zero.
Ayun!
Ayun!
Oh my god.
Pink!
It's literally bugged.
It is. It
Okay,
was
we
bugged.
need to know
So,
how many.
what's the pink?
1. Sige.
2, 3,
3,
2, 3,
3, 3, 3, 3.
Correct.
Ha, ate? Ano yan? Kung ilan yung ano? 1, 2, 3.
3, 3, 3.
Ano nga? Tatlo sila oh. 3
What's the
green,
pink?
3 red, 3 purple. And then the pink is just pink. And then, wala namang white.
Yun nga eh.
Wait, can we press it again?
Most likely.
Mm.
Hmm. I am...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not quite.
I was sure this is 333.
Yeah, it is 3, 3. Ay, wait. How many things are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, kasi iba-iba sila ng color for each ano. So may
Why it
sequence.
doesn't?
Naka-sequence siya. One.
Okay. Yeah, just can go.
Wait, I think it's naka-sequence nga siya.
What?
2, 1, and then 1 green. So, hindi, 1 green, so 3. Ano, no? Mali, okay, I got it. I think I got it. 2. Ano yung next? May red dyan, di ba? Ilang red yan? 1,
3.
3. So, red. And then...
Bakit 2?
Kasi, we have S and I, and then next is red, which is 1. Eh, kasi, parang yun yung, ano yun, parang thought process ko. And then O after, so 1 ulit.
Ilang numbers ba ang pwede?
Wait lang, I'll try something. 5, 3... You can put a lot. 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, and then... Okay.
Kakain pa ako.
How does I did get that?
Nagdating ako. I thought naka-sequence siya. So like
Wait,
2 purple.
December 2012.
December 2020. 3, January, February. Naka-sequence to. I swear. This is on sequence. I
Wait,
don't
can you
know.
search it up nga?
Sige, I'll try to search it up. New escape room Roblox.
Hirap pa.
Anong pangalan ng game natin?
Escape room lang.
Escape room.
Hindi, the game that we're in. Kasi di ba maraming games?
Murder in.
Forgot.
Murder in Garage or something. Oh my god, someone did it in 7 fucking minutes. I'm gonna look at the YouTube video.
Maybe they already know how to do it. So
First is they get the key. Ayan, na-open na nila yung key. Okay. Green, purple, brown.
Brown?
10. Green, purple, brown. 1, 6, 10.
How is it 1, 6, 10?
Try niya. Green,
Aba,
purple. Huh?
paano niya nakuha yun?
Huh?
What the fuck? Green.
No, how is that 1, 6, 10?
Green. This is considered as brown. This is not red. Green.
Ate.
Purple.
Look, it's numbers. Look, green says 1.
Oh my.
And then purple says 6. And then brown says 10.
10. Oh
Ay,
my
ate.
god. Second week on Wednesday. First week on Friday. I'm not gonna play.
Girl, not the mathematics. Second week on
I mean, it was a
Wednesday.
sequence. It was so fucking
Six.
basic. It was
Wait, pa-sequence. Ito na.
6, 1, 6, 6, 6, 1,
oh my god.
6, 1, 24.
Oh my god.
6, 1, 24, dear. Where are we gonna put
What
that?
am I doing, bro? Oh my gosh, it is 1, 6, 10.
Sabi ko parang may something, pero I can't figure it out.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, now we solve the puzzle.
Oh, that's so funny. Second week on Wednesday.
I already did that.
Ay, good job. Okay, now? Now what? Okay.
The puzzle.
Puzzle.
I'm gonna make the...
Ang pinakamadali dyan is you guys do the corners first. I won't ano niyo. Para yeah, do the
Ay,
corners.
bakit na? Shit. Ay,
Ayan. Sige, just
Ay,
yan,
ay.
nice. Okay.
Ito na.
9.
Pink,
Ayun
white,
yung
pink,
ano,
white.
The
yung
pink, white, pink.
white, pink.
How?
Wait, this is a lot.
9
Nine.
to
9.
9 to 7.
Sige, I'll put it in. Wait lang. You guys sige, direct me. 9. Okay, wait lang, sorry. Ay. I can't, sige.
Nine
Can
to
you access not? Ikaw na ba? Or sige, ako na. 9 to 7, and then
1,
1. 9 to 7,
Three.
1, 3. 9 to 7, 1, 3.
wait. 6, 3.
Wait, 9 to 7, 1, 3, 6, 3. Okay.
7.
7. That's it?
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam. Try mo.
No, it didn't work. Okay.
Pink, white, white, pink, white, pink, pink, pink.
What is he saying?
9 to 7. 9 to 7, 6,
I don't.
5. 7 to 7 to 5. Okay, Am I stupid? What?
Pink, white, white. So it's pink, white,
Pink,
white.
white, white.
7.
So, yun nga. 9, 7. Oh!
Oh.
Ay, ate. Itaas natin. 9.
Oh.
Sige, I'll do my sequence muna. I'll chat it sa ano. Sige.
Pink, white, white.
9.
9.
9, 7. Ay, pucha! It's so censored, this one. 9, 7. I'll put it niya sa notepad. Fuck. I'm sweating. I need to sweat here. This actually some critical thinking shit, and I should have this as an engineering student.
Kaya nga, Aaron.
Diba? 9, 7.
What's up?
3. Nuts, pwede pa move konti. Thanks.
Wait. Wait.
Excuse saglit, konti. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah! Wait, I think I know. Four, 2, 7, 7, 5, 6, 1, 9.
Ako mo?
Oh no.
Okay, I think I got it. Okay.
Ayan.
Ow!
Nawali yung
You go right. You don't go below the number.
Wait, what was the number?
tire,
It's 976. I mean
let's see if I
9733
can,
8254.
it's 8 to 5, yeah, exactly.
Oh.
Wait,
Just look, it says there pink, white. Pink first, 9, white,
tire 1.
2, 87, and then white, 3, then pink, 3,
Is it?
then white, 8.
So we had the right thing.
Yeah. Open the curtains. Open the curtains.
Times tire 2 plus tire 3.
What?
Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh.
5.
Open the curtains. Where's the curtains?
This is the curtain.
10 times 5 plus 7. 57.
Oh, this one.
57.
Guys, I opened it.
Oh, never mind, it's this one.
Okay.
Okay. How many? Yung tire 1 yung
5
maraming
times
sides.
4. 5 times 20. 22.
22?
22. Yeah. It's 22.
Nasaan? Saan nilalagay?
Wait. Yeah, it's 22.
Saan nilalagay? Here?
Here? Yeah, here.
You got it? Where? Good job. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, may rat! May ipis! Oh my god. There's
Family.
Okay.
Add 2 zeros after the uniforms.
Add 2 zeros after the uniforms code.
Parang ang dilim naman dito ate.
Uniforms. Okay, uniform positions. 600 degrees, 400 degrees, 300 degrees.
What? What is it saying?
Okay,
Grabe namang ipis.
what do we need to solve? I don't get it.
Well, biga na to.
Dito. Wait.
Wait, here's the uniforms. Oh wait, there's
Look up,
stars.
look up.
What do we look? What are we look?
Add 2 zeros after the uniforms code. So, zeros?
Ito yung uniforms position, 6-4.
Ano raw?
The uniforms represent this.
Yeah.
Huh? What does it represent?
Ano tong degrees?
What's going on?
Do I
Teka
ask
nga.
for help? The YouTube help?
Ano tong lock up? Ay, look up.
I'll check the YouTube help, guys. Because this is not it.
Wait. Parang, parang pag nag-escape room tayo guys, hindi tayo natin kaya.
Parang sayang lang yung pera.
Sayang.
Maybe kailangan nating bilangin yung ipis.
Ate parang hindi tayo matatapos dito.
Alam ko na.
Oh my... It's a,
Add 2
it's a word
zeros.
problem.
Ano raw?
Wait. Look. Nicole, saan enta?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1
What?
plus 2. 3,
Ano raw?
4. All of these,
What?
basically 1, 2, 3, 4 yan, di ba? First of all, ito yung sums. Ang ano niyan is sum the green stars and the pink circles. So add the pink stars and the green circles. Add the
Ah,
green stars and the pink circles.
what's an Insta? Instagram.
Pampatlo
Ano raw?
add 2 zeros after the uniforms code. 1, 2. Sige, who's gonna count? Sige, just count. I'm gonna count the pink circles.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Hindi ko maintindihan. I know this is circle. What is NKCI?
Ano tong sumpt?
It's a word problem. Kumbaga, yung sum, the sum yan. And then yung egre, what's this?
Degree?
Sum the green. Basically, may isang word, yung number 3. Ano yung start niya? Yun ang Nikki yan, diba? Sum the green. This is hard. Kasi magiging pink yun, and then, yeah, that's hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
What?
8 plus 12. 8 plus 12.
What is he?
Schizophrenic again.
What is deep tea? Deep tea?
What are you talking about, Aaron?
I don't understand.
9 na. Okay. I'm so fucking stupid. Huh?
Aaron, let's focus on this one.
Girl, we only have 35 minutes left.
What is this?
Oh, I'm
Don't
so
mind it.
stupid.
What?
I still don't get what you said.
Sum of
Itong
circle.
mga to, yung degrees, they represent, di ba, a uniform. Itong uniform na to, this is a jumbled word. So, pagka iniline up mo sila in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they're gonna form, di ba, a bunch of jumbled letters, pero you can arrange them to form letters na that's gonna be, yung basically yung ano is, yung magiging,
Green.
oo.
Okay.
The green star?
Watashi wa shita.
Turn your volume on. It is on.
What?
Ano nangyayari?
I don't know. I'm so confused.
Wait,
Wait,
we
it's
have
on.
to... Time of the murder, gunshots, fight back screams.
9 p.m. the hands of time.
9 p.m.
4 times.
4 times.
9, 4, 6.
6. Okay, I got it. 9. How many? 9, 4? 9, 4, 6, 8? 9, 4, 6, 8.
Ito, try nyo to. 9, 4, 6, 4.
Ito 9, 4, 6.
Okay, you got it. Holy shit. Gate button has been unlocked.
Open it.
Where is it? Ayun!
We're still not done. What the fuck is going on?
To be fair, this is like a video more than halfway. We have no clues.
This is level 2 difficulty.
What's that? I clicked 1.
Wait lang.
What?
2.
Wait.
Oh, wait, open. Do it again. It's inside. Oh, 8. 7 to 8. 7 to 8. Wait, do it again, press it again.
Okay. What? One in sequence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is 1.
7. 7 to
7, 2.
7 to 8.
7 to 8.
7 to 8, 1.
7 to 8, 1.
7 to 8, 1, 9. 7 to 8, 1, 9.
7 to 8, 1,
1,
9.
9.
Nice! Oh, we finished it!
What? So that's your phone.
Photo. Guys, photo op. Where? Here! Parang totoong ano to.
Photo. Sige. Bigyan natin.
Send me your photo.
Mag-dance kayo, dance.
May isa hindi sabay.
Wait lang. Uulitin ko.
Gosh, that was sweaty. I'm not even gonna lie. To be fair, that key, hold us, yung key.
Yeah, okay. It wouldn't go
Wag in the
in.
first place. Wag nga na.
The positioning. Nah, bro.
Look, she's not even gonna do the dance right. I knew it.
Wait, don't do it.
She's gonna do it again.
Ayan!
Ayan.
Ay!
Aaron!
Sorry, I tried, ano yun? I tried doing ano.
Wala nang sabay-sabay.
I mean, I'm recording.
Ayan.
Did you guys get
Be
a
looking.
screenshot? Because I don't have one. Like, my
Oh,
screenshot
I do.
kasama yung whole screen ko.
Ay,
Okay na?
yes.
Tara. Do we play this
That's
again?
good.
That was good though, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I like that too. It wasn't boring. That as boring as I thought it would be.